In terms of pre-market movers and levels, I picked out Anthera Pharma, which is ANTHUS, up 2.36% pre-market, but that's on top of an 8% gain in yesterday's regular session. And the reason for that is simply that it reached a milestone in its phase 3 trial with the FDA for its anti-lupus drug, and the market likes what it hears. And going the other way, perhaps flying too close to the sun historically, David's Tea Inc., that's DTEA in the US, down 12.2% pre-market. And the reason for this is simply this: it's a recent IPO, and it failed to impress with its maiden numbers. It priced 27% above the expected range of its IPO, and then it made a 42% gain on its debut. So it's flown very high, very fast. Something of reality setting back in, as I say, 12% down pre-market, and it'll be interesting to see how that one trades through the regular session. And then in terms of levels today, equity markets seem to have gained a bit of composure again in Europe, so slightly tighter ranges here. 66.50 plays 67.10 in the FTSE. With the DAX, we've gone for 10,960 on the downside, 11,075 on the upside.
Well, it's just around there now. It's just falling through that. So bit of jitters coming back in there.
Okay, and then on the S&P, 2082 plays 2098, tightening the range slightly there. And similarly in the Dow, we're looking now at 17,770 plays 17,920. And on the currency front, euro dollar 112.40, I think it's worth watching to the downside, but of course the euros remain remarkably firm despite the Greek issues. At 112.95 is the upside level to watch there. The range has tightened also in Aussie euro today, 76.68 to the downside, plays 77.02 to the upside. Dollar yen, the yen weakening slightly again, nothing too dramatic, but we're 123.70 now on the downside, plays 124.15 on the upside. It'll be interesting to see if it can sustain a move above 124. And on cable, as I said,
quite a jump this morning.
Yeah, 156.40 now on the downside, plays 157.70 on the upside, and you fancy that the upside's the area to be watching.
Okay, well, we'll see how that pans out for the rest of the session. Obviously, there'll be a bit of a wobble in both directions, so volatility this evening after the London close. But anyway, Darren Sindens, market commentator at Admiral Markets, thanks for your insight today, and we'll be back tomorrow.